Hello students, I am Mayur Parmar, your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn the first chapter of computer, Introduction to Computers. But before start our lesson, let me tell you one thing that for computer you will make 100 pages full-scape notebook and all the exercises you will write both in your textbook and notebook also. In this video, you can see in the first slide the cover page of computer books that is from Navneet publication. So everybody will buy this book only. Now let's start our lesson, Introduction to Computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which is made up of devices used for input, processing and storage and output. A computer processes the input data with the help of program to generate information output. So as you all know that computer is not just a machine, but it also used for input, processing and storage and output also. Now let me discuss what are the features of computers. The word computer is derived from the word to compute, which means to calculate. Initially, computers were used only to perform big and complex calculations, but today, a computer is used to read, write, draw, and perform many other functions. With the help of a computer, we can perform complex calculations very quickly and accurately. A computer can store and recall a large amount of data also. So, let me start. What are the features of a computer? The first feature of a computer is speed. A computer has a fantastic speed of performing any task. It can perform even the most complex calculation very quickly and accurately. For example, if you are asked to multiply 125 by 7, you will need a few minutes to give the answer. And that answer could even be wrong. But a computer will give you the correct answer in a few seconds. Now, second features, tirelessness. A computer never gets tired or bored. It can do the same work repeatedly for a very long time. It can work continuously without getting tired. Now, third features, accuracy. A computer can work continuously without making any mistakes. A computer makes mistakes only when wrong data or instructions are entered into it. Thus, we can say that accuracy and reliability are the most important features of a computer. Next features, repetitiveness. When you do the same work repeatedly for a long time, you not only get bored and tired but also your speed of doing the work reduces gradually. But a computer can continuously do repetitive work with the same speed and accuracy. Next features, storage. A computer can store a large amount of information. This information could be text or even pictures, even images also, and audio and video also. It can store thousands of pages of data. You can get back this data whenever you need it. Next features, versatility. As you already know, a computer is used in schools, offices, banks, airports, railway stations, hospitals, and in many other fields. So we can use many other fields this computer also. So in this age of electronic communication, computers are used to share or exchange information. Computers spread across cities or countries are connected with one another to perform a network. This worldwide computer network is known as the Internet. Email, electronic mail, is one of the largest advantages of the Internet. It is used to send messages or information to computer users across cities or countries in a few seconds. Now I hope you have understood the features of computer. Now let we discuss the advantages of a computer. How computer is beneficial to us. The first advantages of a computer is greater efficiency. As we all know, computers help people to do their work more efficiently. For example, in offices, computers are used to maintain accounts, keep records, etc. All the work is done accurately in a short time. Second advantage is better services. With the use of a computers at railway stations and airports, reservation of tickets has become easier. In banks, computers are used to keep accounts of depositors and provide them quickly on services. Use of computers in offices, hotels, hospitals, and other places have reduced the workload and also given better services to people. Third advantage is education. Now let's discuss how education in the field of education computer help us. As we all know that computers are used in school, colleges and educational institutions to teach all the subjects. Learning with the help of computer is not only easy and quick but great fun too. Next advantage is entertainment. Computer used to listen to music, watch movies or cartoons and even play games. Computer are also used to compose music also. So in entertainment field also we are using computer very widely. So these are the advantages we have discussed. Okay, these are the four advantages we have discussed, but we don't have only four advantages. Okay, there are more than four advantages also that can help us to use our computers. So I have divided this first lesson in three parts. Okay, today we have discussed about the first part of this lesson. Now in the next video we are going to discuss the second part, which are history of computers and the generation of computers. Okay, everybody will learn this well. Okay, in next video we are going to discuss history of computers and generation of computers. Till then, goodbye.